Another cocoa bar is going on. My niece Taylor's over. We're about to make this gingerbread village. Got a cocoa bar set up again. And this time we have some gingerbread cookies that hang off the side of the mug. That's so freaking cute. And I got this, some peppermint mocha, some coffee creamer. And we still have the pumpkin spice. So whichever one you like to flavor your cocoa, if you want to flavor it. This is almond milk, and of course we have our peppermint twist cocoa, a regular pack of cocoa back here, and our little toppings, marshmallows. Taylor's here. We're about to get this gingerbread house started. We are trying to figure out this this little teeny gingerbread house. All the pieces so far.
So, Till, hold the bottom one up. Just this bottom part. Okay. The vibration. Yeah.
So, okay. So we
supposed to go like.
We thought it was gonna be 4 houses. Is it 4 houses or 2 houses? This is the kit right here.
It might be 2. Tails, get me side piece, one of them.
I started taking my Ray Daily Cleanse vitamins yesterday. They smell so freaking good, and I think they work pretty good so far.
Right, watch.
But love them. So once y'all take them apart, so we just do like
pipe along the edge, yeah.
Like no, they gotta stand up though. Stand up, because they're not gonna be sitting down. Sit up. Like pipe it like that. Pipe one up.
Oh, okay.
Because one's gonna be on the edge, one not. You see what I'm saying?
So pipe it like.
So move that, and then pipe this one and smash it to it.
Got you. Pipe him.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's starting to be something. Okay. Decoration time! That's my house, my little
house number 4.
Baby house. That's Taylor's house. This Kia house, and then that's the extra 4th house.
Fell apart.
Your house fell apart. It's okay, baby.
Yeah, the ice is all. I heard you.
You eat the house now?
Yup.
Tell us to your house. These snickers and giggles. What you do? Oh, that's, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all you did all that time? You sit there laughing?
I'm still decorating.
Alright, here go mine, y'all. What the hell?
Oh, hey girl.
I did the front icing. Icicles. That's the side. Okay, I know you ain't laughing because yours fell apart. Oh, no, you tried to. Oh, she doing an extra house. It was an extra 4th house. Then she tried her and take her stuff off and decorate it.
Here you go now. So far, so good, everybody. Here you go.
She's speaking down.
There you go.
So this is my house right here, everybody. Let's take a look at it. I don't want to spin it too much. So this is the side profile, the front door, and the other side. Cute. And this is their house. I think this is Taylor's house. Oh. I won, y'all. This is my house that won the competition. Alright. Hey y'all, just finished recording or still recording this tutorial on my hair. And I did my fingernails. I polished my fingernails over last night. What did I polish it? Electric red. Really pretty. It's the color. But I did it in my bed, so I didn't even pay attention. Like this nail I'm going to take off and do over because I don't like the way it look. But these nails, so pretty. I really do like Nail Addict nail polishes. They are so freaking pretty. So I'm getting ready to do that. And I need to do my makeup for the second portion of this video. I have to film the intro and the outro. So that's it. Watch me some long order while I'm about to finish my nails. Dinner served. My turkey meatballs, and I just still had some leftovers, mashed potatoes, greens, and some corn pudding. Woo, I'm ready to eat my dinner. My cute little Charlie Brown tree and my wreath on my front door is the only decorating I'll be doing for the holidays. Don't come for my little tree. It's cute. I just need to get some small candy canes to put on my tree and I'll be done.